Hello, I'm Dr. Barry Pecos, York Region's Medical Officer of Health. We're at an interesting and challenging point in the pandemic. Our hospitalization numbers continue to decrease slowly, but unfortunately, deaths remain stubbornly high. Our wastewater signals are fluctuating, but looking stable, though again at a very high level compared to previous waves. Last week, the province lifted the provincial proof of vaccination requirements and eliminated capacity limits in both indoor and outdoor settings. We know some people are eager to take advantage of these receding measures, where others are uncomfortable and anxious about this change. Either way, please continue to be responsible and kind with one another. Everyone is experiencing a different journey when it comes to easing of pandemic control measures, so it's important to be empathetic and understanding. As a result of these changes, we are likely to see a slight increase in COVID-19 transmission. But with so many York Region residents having had 3 doses of vaccine, we are hopeful that this will not translate into more hospitalizations and deaths. I myself was in the hospital with an injury over the weekend, and while I was able to be treated with excellent care, I certainly saw healthcare staff who were burned out and patients in hallways. This is understandable and expected during a pandemic, but it is preventable and we can each do our part. Getting a booster dose, if you've not had one, is critically important, even if you are young and even if you're healthy, and even if you've had COVID already. Please remember how COVID-19 is transmitted and how contagious Omicron can be. This has not changed. If you feel any COVID-19 symptoms or have been exposed to someone with COVID-19, stay home and isolate immediately. You can visit york.ca/COVID-19 positive for steps on how to protect yourself and your loved ones. Though capacity limits have lifted, pandemic control measures, such as wearing a mask and screening, remain in place. The province will be making decisions soon on the mask mandate. The masks are a last population level measure, and once they are gone, vaccination will be our only remaining protection. Vaccines are the best line of defense against COVID-19 and avoiding severe outcomes. You can make an appointment or walk into any of our vaccination clinics. The hours and locations of the clinics have recently been updated, and information can be found at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. Spring is in the air, and so many of us are excited to get as close to normal as we possibly can, and the vaccine is our ticket to doing so. By increasing our booster dose coverage, we'll decrease hospital admissions due to COVID-19 and continue to slow transmission, allowing us to move into the spring months more safely. Again, as we continue to make the transition back to almost normal, please remember to be considerate of other people's comfort levels. These last 2 years have been hard on us all. Everyone is recovering at their own pace, and we must be respectful and kind above all else. We are not out of the woods yet, and COVID-19 pandemic is far from over. We are optimistic, though, for a positive spring and summer, though we need to remain vigilant as we approach the unknown, particularly looking to the fall. Continue to stay safe, be hopeful, and most importantly, get vaccinated.